Hello everyone, so let's tie this beautiful style together. I've already formed my plate, so I'm going to place it on my head, and the measurement is 50-50. I'll place it on my headline. I think it's my hairline, but it has to come here so that when I want to push, it will go back. So I'll start arranging. Bring out every hidden plate that you've made that is hidden, just bring it out and arrange it like this. I always tell you that if your plate is not fine from beginning, if you want to make it tiny, then you have to draw it very close to each other. If I want mine to be showing like this, let's take it back a little bit small. So I'm going to twist my hand this way. This way. Alright. So I'm going to be looking for this spot, this spot, and this spot. I'm going to hold these two edges together. Okay, tight it and then take it upward. I want this hand to come this way, so I'm going to do it like this and tie. So this is how it came. So I'll take this a little bit backward, take this a little bit, and press here and drag it so that this place doesn't pull out. Press and drag, then arrange. I'm going to widen this place. Take this SS, and take it and make this place. Push it inside. Alright, let's arrange now. Let's form a pleat. Mind you, your plate may not be perfect, but let it just come out. I'm folding here, then gradually I'm picking my plate. I'm picking it. I'm picking the plate. Small. I told you it might not be perfect because you are doing it on yourself. So I'll look for somewhere here. So I will pin down here. I'll just look for somewhere. Make sure it's not touching this one. Okay, so I'm just looking for somewhere to pin it down. To pin again. So I'm going to arrange this place. Just pick one. So put your hand, come down. Put your hands, come down. Just like that. And then you extend it down. Okay, so come front and just do small arrangement. So repeat the same thing here. Don't worry, your plate must not be very perfect. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, see this place has gone bad. So I'm going to stop here. Okay, so I'm just trying my best to make sure the lines are at least showing. So I'm going to take this one behind. I'm going to pin it. Look for anyone here and pin. So because of what I told you earlier, this hand is giving issue. So I'm going to form my plate like this to see if it's going to work. See? So at this point, if your gele is like this, I tell you have tried. I'm going to push this up a little bit, and then pull this place down, and also pull this place down. So this is the final look of this gele. I'm trying my best so that it doesn't, the pin I pin here has pulled out already. So I'm going to just hold it somehow with this one here. Okay. Get this and see. So please, you can wear whatever you want, you have. This is how the back looks like. So you can always come back, use your pins, tag anywhere you want to tag, and then you're good to go. So this is the final look, guys. What do you think about this amazing style? You can tie this tie to church, you can tie this tie to any occasion. All right, so this is beautiful.